Hey everybody, today we're going to do a walk of the West Village. We're looking uptown at the Empire State Building. We're on West 4th and 6th Avenue. If you go down West 4th straight ahead, you're going to end up in Washington Square Park. It's kind of like the NYU campus. So I'm going to head now down towards the Christopher Street stop.
Yes.
The West Village is known for being a little bit wealthy. It's known for its gay culture. It's known for having NYU students come here and enjoy all the restaurants and the bars. So we've got some sex shops across the street, a couple of music shops. It was Halloween last night, so they have a lot of decorations still up. So now we're coming up to the Christopher Street stop on the 1. So we're going to walk past the Stonewall Inn. So Stonewall became a national monument. In New York City, the Stonewall Inn was one of the very important places in the start of the gay rights movement in the U.S. So this is the Stonewall Inn. It was the site of a famous riot that sparked a movement of gay rights that spread through the United States. There's a guy taking a piss on the street.
Rescue all of them.
Here's a bunch of puppies. Here's an old building with an old sign. Founded in 1827. They have the decorations for Halloween still up. A big spider web on the wall. People enjoying dinner. So this is what it's like. It's kind of the West Village is a bunch of small brownstones. Very expensive. You have to be a multi-millionaire to live here. But it's mixed. You're going to get the very wealthy living alongside the very poor. New York City is definitely a mixed bag when it comes to everybody, and that's kind of the New York feeling. This is a flag I've been seeing a lot lately. I'm not 100% sure. But I believe it's a gay rights flag and a trans flag. Cool bar. Beautiful old brownstones. This building right in front of us, the first floor has floor-to-ceiling windows, in which the windows go all the way to the ground. You can see their long length. This is the type of building that was built. It's got to be more than 100 years old. It's a cool little shop called the Pink Olive. Very neat little books, cards, stationery. People don't wait for you, especially when the light is green. You gotta watch out in New York City, they'll still run you over. So now we're gonna go down Charles Street, and you can see looking downtown, that's the World Trade Center. I'm gonna go down Charles. These are beautiful little brownstones in here. Small little cafe called Partners Coffee Roasters. Beautiful little block, Charles Street. Got the little pumpkins here on the doorsteps. I think a family lives here. This little kid's face. Beautiful old-time houses. We got a Jets fan there. Jets just won this past weekend. Here's Sevilla Restaurant. A Spanish restaurant, but I believe it's closed. But we'll take a look inside. Beautiful.
Are you up for lunch?
Across the street we have what looks like a Jewish synagogue. Organized in 1838. Rebuilt in 1917. Wow. This is the type of street you just get lost on. I feel like Charles Street is where they would have, like, I don't know, looks like Sex and the City, that show, or where they would take clips for anything that's a modern New York. It's so beautiful. Beautiful Halloween displays. Across the street there's a high-end fashion shop. Let's take a look. Billy Reed. They've got fall fashions. They have an oyster shell art piece right on the wall. Billy Reed, New York. Great fashions. And now we're on the corner of Bleecker and Charles. We've got more fashion here too. What a dress. Va va voom. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave you in the heart of the West Village. We're on Charles and Bleecker. Alright, thanks for walking with me.